Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're jumping right into how to organize your video editing workflow in Notion. It's the 2025 guide, so get ready for some smart, efficient, and easy-to-follow steps. First up, we're going to create a new page in Notion. This is going to be your command center for all video editing projects. Let's call it Video Editing Workflow. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for all your video editing tasks, keeping everything in one place and making it easier to track your progress. Next up, we're going to create a table inside this page. Click on the plus, select Table, and give it a name. Let's call it Projects. Now, this table will serve as a database for all your ongoing video editing projects. The importance of this step cannot be overstated, as it helps categorize your work, making it easier to manage multiple projects simultaneously. Now that we've done that, let's add some columns to this table. These can be project name, status, deadline, and notes. This helps us because it provides a detailed overview of each project at a glance. You can see what's happening, what's next, and when it's due, all in one place. Moving on, let's populate this table with some data. Add a few hypothetical projects for practice. Remember, this is your workflow, so tailor it to your needs. Adding data to the table allows you to see how the workflow operates and helps you adjust it to better suit your editing process. Now, let's add a task list. Create a new table below your projects table and name it Task List. Here, you can itemize the steps for each project. This is crucial because it breaks down your project into manageable parts, making it easier to track your progress and see what needs to be done next. Finally, let's add some tags to our tasks. Tags like editing, review, final cut, and so on will help you categorize your tasks further. This step is important because it aids in prioritizing tasks and keeping track of where you are in the editing process. And that's it. You've just set up your video editing workflow in Notion. Using this workflow, you can manage multiple projects, keep track of tasks, and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. It's all about staying organized and efficient. So, go ahead, give it a try, and make your video editing process smoother and more organized with Notion. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.